Welcome to IGiS CAD, a versatile 2D drafting and 3D modeling CAD software. In this video, we are going to tell you about the use of boundary command in IGiS CAD. So we have these two entities. Now we will select the boundary tool using the shortcut BO. So this will open the boundary creation menu. From here we will select the boundary set, and after that we will specify the boundary type as region. Now the boundary has been found and one region is created like so. We are creating an entity using line command, and here we are demonstrating boundary creation using polyline. So we have selected the boundary command, and now from the boundary creation menu we will select the boundary type as polyline, and then we will select the entity sides and press enter. Now we will specify the point inside the entity, and a boundary type polyline will be created like so. Another example, now we have drawn a similar entity, and this time from boundary creation menu we have taken the select area option to create boundary and specify internal point, and a boundary is created like so. Now again another circular entity is created, and again using the boundary command select area we specified internal point like so, and a boundary of that area is created. So that was all about boundary command. Thank you for watching the video.